Two people can wake up in the same country, work the same hours, and want the same thing. Freedom. But one person feels in control of life. The other feels controlled by bills, debt, rent, food prices, and the next paycheck. And here's the scary part. Most people don't realize money is controlling them. They think they are making free choices. But sometimes, money is quietly deciding where they live, what job they stay in, what risks they avoid, what dreams they delay, and even how much stress they carry every day. This video is not about worshiping money. It's about understanding something important. If you don't control your money will control your life. Let's be honest. A lot of people are not lazy. They are tired. They wake up early, work long hours, pay bills, try to save, and still feel like they are one emergency away from falling apart. Rent is due. Credit card payments are waiting. Student loans or car payments keep coming. Groceries cost more than expected. And every time money enters the account, it already has somewhere to go. So even before you spend it, it feels like the money is already gone. That creates a dangerous feeling. You start saying yes to things you hate because you need the money. You stay in a job that drains you because rent is not optional. You avoid learning new skills because you feel too tired after work. You delay your goals because survival feels more urgent than growth. And slowly, your life gets smaller. You don't choose the apartment you want. You choose what you can afford. You don't choose the career you want. You choose what pays the bills right now. You don't choose peace. You choose whatever keeps the lights on. This is how money secretly controls your life. Not by shouting, but by limiting your options. When you have no emergency fund, fear controls your decisions. When you have debt, the past controls your future income. When you spend without a plan, impulse controls your paycheck. When your income is too low, your time gets sold cheaply. And when you don't understand money, other people make financial decisions for you. Banks, credit cards, employers, advertisements, subscriptions, lifestyle pressure. They all want a piece of your income. And if you don't have a system, your money disappears before your future gets anything. Let's look at two fictional people. This is Alex. Alex works full-time and makes decent money. Every payday, Alex feels relief. The paycheck hits. For a few hours, life feels okay. So Alex orders food, buys something online, goes out with friends, and pays the minimum on the credit card. Nothing crazy. Just normal life. But by the second week, the account is low again. Now Alex feels stressed. So Alex works extra hours, waits for the next paycheck, and promises. Next month, I'll do better. But next month is the same. Paycheck. Bills. Spending. Stress. Repeat. Now meet Jordan. Jordan also makes the same income. But Jordan sees money differently. Jordan does not ask, what can I buy this payday? Jordan asks, what can this paycheck do for my future? So before spending, Jordan separates money into simple buckets. Rent and bills. Emergency fund. Debt payments. Investing. Learning. Fun money. At first, Jordan's life does not look exciting. No luxury flex. No expensive lifestyle. No pretending to be rich. But after 1 year, Jordan has emergency savings. After 2 years, Jordan has less debt. After 3 years, Jordan has skills, investments, and more choices. Same income. Different system. Alex used money for relief. Jordan used money for control. That is the difference. Money controlled Alex because every dollar reacted to stress. Jordan controlled money because every dollar had a job. So how do you stop money from secretly controlling your life? Here are 5 practical steps. 1. Know where your money is going. You cannot control what you refuse to look at. Most people don't need a complicated budget. They need awareness. For the next 7 days, track every dollar. Food, rent, subscriptions, shopping, debt, random spending. Not to shame yourself, but to see the truth. Because once you see the pattern, you can change the pattern. Money becomes less scary when it becomes visible. 2. Build a small emergency fund. The first way money controls people is through fear. 1 flat tire. 1 medical bill. 1 late paycheck. 1 family emergency. And everything collapses. That is why even a small emergency fund matters. Start with a small goal. $100. Then $500. Then 1 month of expenses. You don't need to become rich overnight. You need a financial cushion so every problem does not become a crisis. An emergency fund gives you breathing room. And breathing room gives you better decisions. 3. Stop giving your future income to debt. Debt is not just a number. Debt is future money that already belongs to someone else. Every payment you make next month is money you already lost before it arrived. That's why debt can feel like a cage. So start attacking high-interest debt first. Credit cards. Buy now, pay later. Personal loans. Anything that grows fast while you sleep. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to stop your past choices from stealing your future freedom. 4. Give every dollar a job before it disappears. If your money has no plan, the world will create a plan for it. Ads will take it. Apps will take it. Fast food will take it. Subscriptions will take it. Impulse will take it. Before you spend, decide what your money must do. Some dollars protect you. Some dollars pay bills. Some dollars buy freedom. Some dollars build skills. Some dollars are for fun. This is not about never enjoying life. It is about enjoying life without destroying your future. 5. Increase your value, not just your savings. Saving money is important. But saving alone has limits. If your income is too low, you also need to increase your earning power. Learn a skill. Sales. Editing. Writing. Marketing. Coding. Design. Content creation. Negotiation. Freelancing. A better skill can change your income. And a better income gives you more room to save, invest, and breathe. Money controls you less when you have more options. And skills create options. Here's how to apply this today. Step 1. Write down where your money went this week. Step 2. Choose 1 expense to reduce. Step 3. Start a small emergency fund. Step 4. Attack 1 debt or avoid creating new debt. Step 5. Learn 1 skill that can increase your income. You don't need to change your whole life in 1 day. You just need to stop letting money move without direction. Because money is not just paper. Money is time. Money is choices. Money is peace. Money is the ability to say no to things that drain you. And the ability to say yes to things that build your future. So the question is, are you controlling your money? Or is your money controlling you? Comment below, what controls people more: debt, low income, bad habits, or lack of financial education? And if you want simple stick-figure lessons about money, mindset, saving, investing, and escaping financial struggle, subscribe to Money Sketch. Because the more you understand money, the less it controls your life.